Hi, this is Kim. Join me as my mom shows me how she makes asparagus. She loves it.
Just warm it now. You going to rinse it?
Yeah, you can do that stuff. You can take a picture of it now, though.
I do that. I take a picture of it. I wanted to take a picture of you taking the ends off of it.
Oh,
But I didn't get the ends in time.
I didn't know what you were doing.
Well, I can take enough to put it in the oven. I just do what I can, the best I can.
Yeah, I didn't know what you were doing. It's okay. I just rinse it a little bit.
What are you going to do next to it?
Dry it. Where's the pan?
You going to put foil on it or oil?
I don't put foil. I just a waste of foil.
What's that, olive oil?
Mm-hmm.
What's that, salt?
Salt.
Okay.
And pepper.
There you go. Pepper. How long you been cooking, Mom?
And I just, as a kid, just like you all did, you know, do little things and just.
Like how old were you?
I don't have it. You know, I don't know. Mom and them cooked. I really, you know, we might go scramble some eggs or make some bacon or something as a child. When I went away to school, I got a job living in a private home and cooking, and I don't know how I learned to cook, do it basically then, because I kept watching Mama and them cooking.
Now we cooked the asparagus for about 15 minutes on 425. You guys, my mom is 88 years young, and I loved cooking with her today. Thank you for watching.